General Mathematics is brought to you by the Math Teacher. Hello everyone, I hope you're having a pleasant day, and our lesson is all about functions and its operations. The important concept that you need to understand is that adding, subtracting, and multiplying two or more functions will result in another function. Dividing two functions will also result in another function, provided that the denominator or divisor is not a zero function. Let us look into the following definitions. Let f and g be functions. Their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function defined by f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Their difference, denoted by f minus g, is the function defined by f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Their product, denoted by f times g, is the function defined by f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. Their quotient, denoted by f over g, is the function defined by f over g of x equals f of x over g of x. To apply the definitions into examples, let us first consider the given functions. From the given functions, let's have example 1, determine the following functions. Number 1, v plus g of x. Number 2, f times p of x. Number 3, f plus h of x. Number 4, p minus f of x. And number 5, v over g of x. Solution 1, to determine the sum, v plus g of x, substitute the given functions, and then perform the indicated operation. Solution 2, to determine the product, f times p of x, substitute the given functions, and then perform the indicated operation. Solution 3, to determine the sum, f plus h of x, substitute the given functions, and then perform the indicated operation. Solution 4, to determine the difference, p minus f of x, substitute the given functions, and then perform the indicated operation. Solution 5, to determine the quotient, v over g of x, substitute the given functions, and then perform the indicated operation. And now let us take more challenging examples. Let us solve the problems that follow, given the functions below. F of x equals 2x plus 1. Q of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. R of x equals 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. Here's example 2. Express the function f sub 1 of x equals x squared plus 3 as a sum or difference of the functions above. Solution. It can involve some trial and error. Let us try adding q of x and f of x and check if the sum is x squared plus 3. Example 3. Express the function f sub 2 of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 1 as a sum or difference of the functions above. Solution. Again, it can involve some trial and error. Let us try checking if q of x minus f of x gives x squared minus 4x plus 1. Let's continue exploring to products and quotients of functions through examples. Example 4. Express the function g sub 1 of x equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2 as a product or quotient of the functions above. Solution. Again, it can involve some trial and error. Since 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2 is cubic, then it is possibly the product of f of x and q of x. Example 5. Express the function g sub 2 of x equals x minus 1 as a product or quotient of the functions above. And here's the solution. Again, it can involve some trial and error. Since the function r of x equals 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 involves x minus 1 as the denominator, then the goal is to eliminate 2x plus 1. This can be done by dividing f of x by r of x. And now, let's summarize the answers in the previous examples using these new notations. As part of assessing what you have learned from the lesson functions and its operations, please perform the preceding tasks, number 1 and number 2. And that would be all for functions and its operations. Here's hoping that somehow you have learned something.